Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're tackling a common challenge in relationships, the feeling that you have to fight for someone's attention. But instead of fighting, we have 10 key strategies that can make a world of difference. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Number 1. The futility of fighting. The futility of fighting for someone's attention lies in the fact that it often leads to frustration, misunderstandings, and a sense of imbalance in the relationship. When you're constantly battling for someone's focus, it can create tension and strain rather than fostering a healthy and mutually satisfying connection. This approach can also erode the natural flow of a relationship, making it difficult for both parties to express themselves authentically and communicate effectively. Instead of drawing people closer, this approach can push them further away. Number 2. Healthy alternatives. These alternatives aim to respect, open communication, and self-worth. Rather than engaging in a battle for someone's attention, healthy alternatives encourage individuals to recognize their self-worth and acknowledge that they deserve respect and attention in any relationship. Foster open and honest conversations to discuss feelings and needs, ensuring mutual understanding. Encourage self-independence and personal growth to reduce over-reliance on someone else for happiness and fulfillment. And strive for balance in life, including personal time and time spent with loved ones to maintain emotional well-being. These alternatives promote healthier, more sustainable, and fulfilling relationships, where individuals can express their true selves and build strong connections based on mutual understanding and respect. Number 3. Self-respect. This is the belief that you deserve to be treated with respect, kindness, and consideration in any relationship. This includes the acknowledgement that your thoughts, feelings, and needs are important and should be given the same consideration as anyone else's. Maintaining self-respect means setting and enforcing personal boundaries, standing up for yourself when necessary, and not compromising your values or well-being for the sake of gaining someone's attention or approval. It's a critical component of healthy self-esteem and is essential in building and maintaining balanced, respectful, and fulfilling relationships. Self-respect is the foundation upon which one can engage in open communication and demand mutual respect from others in their interactions. Number 4. Self-confidence. Self-confidence allows you to approach relationships with a sense of assurance and self-assuredness. When you possess self-confidence, you're more likely to be attractive to others because it radiates a positive and self-assured energy. This self-belief can help in the following ways. It makes you more comfortable with asserting your needs and desires in a relationship. It enables you to express yourself authentically and honestly. It helps you to set and maintain healthy boundaries in the relationship, and it allows you to handle any challenges or potential conflicts in a constructive manner. In essence, self-confidence is an attractive and empowering quality that can lead to more balanced, respectful, and fulfilling relationships, as it helps you approach relationships with a sense of self-worth and an assurance that you are deserving of respect and attention. Number 5. Open dialogue. This involves expressing your thoughts, feelings, needs, and concerns in a straightforward and respectful manner. When you do this, you express your thoughts and emotions openly, without fear of judgment or rejection. You actively listen to the other person, giving them the opportunity to share their perspective. It encourages mutual understanding and empathy, as both parties have the chance to explain their viewpoints. Open dialogue promotes problem solving, as it allows both individuals to work together to find solutions and compromises. Open dialogue is a vital component of healthy communication in relationships. It fosters trust, respect, and mutual appreciation, making it easier to address issues and build a stronger connection with your partner. It's a key strategy to ensure that both individuals have their needs met and feel valued in the relationship. Number 6, active listening. It involves not only hearing the words that the other person is saying, but also paying close attention to their feelings, emotions, and nonverbal cues. It's a form of listening that shows respect, empathy, and a genuine interest in what the other person is expressing. Actively listening means being fully present in the moment, focusing on the speaker and not allowing distractions to interfere. Seeking clarification when something is not clear, which helps ensure you understand the speaker's message. Offering verbal or nonverbal cues that show you are engaged in processing what the speaker is saying, such as nodding, making eye contact, and giving verbal acknowledgments. Active listening is a powerful tool for building understanding and trust in a relationship. It promotes open and effective communication, making it easier to address issues, avoid misunderstandings, and ensure that both individuals feel heard and respected. Number 7, set boundaries. Boundaries are an essential part of creating a healthy and respectful dynamic between individuals. Identifying what you are comfortable with and what you are not in terms of behaviors, actions, and interactions within the relationship. Taking action to maintain your boundaries and ensuring that they are respected. If someone crosses a boundary, it's important to address the issue constructively. In summary, setting boundaries is a vital strategy to ensure that you maintain a healthy and balanced relationship where both parties have their needs and limits acknowledged and respected. It's about creating a mutually respectful and harmonious connection with your partner. Number 8, mutual respect. This involves treating your partner with consideration, acknowledging their worth, and valuing their thoughts, feelings, and needs as much as your own. Both individuals consider each other's perspectives, opinions, and feelings as equally important. Respect means not judging or criticizing your partner's thoughts or actions, even if you disagree with them. Practicing empathy by trying to understand your partner's feelings and perspective. This is vital in relationships because a lot of reasons, such as builds trust, and a strong foundation of trust is essential for a healthy and lasting relationship. Reduces conflicts and misunderstandings by fostering open and non-confrontational communication, and allows individuals to feel valued, which is key to maintaining a sense of worth and happiness within the relationship. Mutual respect is a key strategy in creating a relationship where both individuals are seen, heard, and valued, leading to a more harmonious and fulfilling connection. Number 9, self-independence. Engaging in activities, hobbies, and pursuits that bring joy and fulfillment independently of the relationship. Maintaining emotional well-being and not relying solely on the relationship for happiness and self-worth. Nurturing and sustaining friendships and social connections outside the relationship. Continuously working on personal growth, self-improvement, and self-discovery. Self-independence is valuable for several reasons, such as it reduces the risk of becoming overly reliant on a partner for validation, happiness, and identity. It preserves a sense of personal identity and self-worth, contributing to a healthier self-esteem, and it ensures that both individuals have space to pursue their own interests and passions. Self-independence is a fundamental aspect of a balanced and fulfilling relationship. It empowers individuals to maintain their own sense of self, personal growth, and happiness, which ultimately enhances the health and longevity of the relationship. Number 10, self-growth. This involves a commitment to bettering oneself, both for personal fulfillment and to contribute positively to one's relationships and life in general. Taking the time to assess one's strengths, weaknesses, values, and goals. Defining personal and professional goals and actively working toward them. Engaging in learning opportunities, whether through education, reading, or gaining new skills. Being open to change and adapting to new circumstances and challenges. Developing emotional resilience to navigate difficulties and setbacks. In summary, self-growth is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. It encourages individuals to continuously work on improving themselves, which can enhance the quality of the relationship and contribute to a more balanced and satisfying connection with a partner. Number 11, prioritize balance. Allocating time for self-care, pursuing personal interests, and nurturing individual growth. Spending meaningful and quality time with friends and family, as well as your partner. Fulfilling your responsibilities at work or school, and working toward your career and educational goals. Attending to your emotional well-being, which may involve practices such as mindfulness, stress management, and self-care. This is valuable for several reasons, such as it helps prevent feelings of burnout, frustration, or neglect that can arise when one aspect of life dominates the others. It contributes to your overall well-being and happiness, which in turn benefits your relationships, and it ensures that you maintain a sense of self and individuality within the context of your relationships. As a summary, prioritizing balance is essential for sustaining a healthy and harmonious relationship. It fosters a sense of well-roundedness and fulfillment, which enhances the quality of your relationships and contributes to a more balanced and satisfying connection with your partner. Number 12, emotional well-being. Pay attention to your emotional well-being. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. Recognizing and understanding one's own emotions, needs, and triggers. Implementing effective stress reduction techniques to cope with daily pressures and challenges. Engaging in activities that promote mental and emotional rejuvenation, such as hobbies, exercise, or relaxation practices. Nurturing relationships with friends and family who offer emotional support and understanding. Setting boundaries to protect one's emotional health and maintain a sense of personal well-being. This is valuable for several reasons, such as contributes to overall happiness and life satisfaction, which can positively impact your relationships, including your romantic relationship. It empowers individuals to cope with and address emotional challenges constructively, and it allows individuals to engage in relationships from a place of emotional strength and stability. There you have it, 10 key strategies to remember when you feel the urge to fight for someone's attention. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, open communication, and the freedom to be yourself. If you found these strategies helpful, give us a thumbs up and please share this video with those who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. We'll see you in the next video.